Look what I got, y'all. So I've been wanting one of these. Look. So today I'm gonna be retwisting. I haven't retwisted my hair in 2 months, but I've been retwisting the perimeter. But today I'm gonna give myself a nice clean retwist. I wasn't going to wash my hair at first, but I ended up washing my hair because I've been using a lot of like gel products. Everything that I'll be using will be listed in the description down below. I am trying out a new gel today. My clients use this gel, so I went ahead and got it because I liked how it looked on their hair. I'm gonna try it on my hair, see how I like it. I did wash my hair about 2 hours before this, but I'm going in with some water, leave-in conditioner, and some oil just to add some more moisture back to my hair because I do not like to retwist on dry hair. And then I'm gonna massage that in. Now, this will be a semi-detailed video. I'm starting off by sectioning my hair, and then I'm gonna go in and try to get the cleanest, sharpest part in the entire world. I don't have the cleanest parts though, but you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. Then I'm gonna go over with my gel, go back in with my comb to try to get it as clean as possible. Now my locks were started to the right, so I'll be palm rolling my retwisting my hair to the right because that's how they were started. I added some more gel around the perimeter of the lock, and then I'm gonna comb that in so it could be nice and smooth, and then I'm gonna palm roll it to the right. It looks like I'm twirling it here, but I'm really not. I'm just holding it at the base, and then I'm going to wrap any loose hair around the lock, palm roll it some more, and then I'm gonna secure it. I tell y'all, it feels like I've been doing this forever, but it hasn't. It's just because I'm hot. Last 2 rows. All right, everybody, I'm on my last 2 rows. I'm gonna switch gel. I like the gel that I was using, but I don't think it's for my hair because it was not giving that crisp look like that I like. I'm back from coughing. I'm gonna switch to my favorite for the last 2 rows because I'm doing a middle part for the style and I need the middle to look crispy. Ain't got no tea on me. The whole thing she TMZ. Megan slid with that album, okay? Meg did what she had to do, okay? Because she said, money, I'ma stop. Like, she slid. Every single song was phenomenal on that album. Like, I don't care. Now that I did the top row and I see how the rest of my hair look with the other gel I use, I'm kind of sad. I should have just stuck to my OG. I should have stuck beside her. Because look how nice this lays. Like, look at it. Oh. Against the gel, y'all, it's just that it does not work great for my hair, and some of my strands are still retwisted to this day, so I can't complain about that. I just didn't like how it looks. So here's one more detail about how to do it. So as you can see, I'm putting the gel around the perimeter, I'm combing it in, then I'm going to start palm rolling it towards the right. Last one. It looks like I'm twirling it. It just helps me hold it better. And then I'm gonna palm roll it down, wrap any loose strands, and clip it. And that's how it is looking. I'm gonna go in with some castor oil because, ooh, my roots. It took me about an hour and 15, maybe 30 minutes to completely retwist my entire head. I'm adding some mousse. I sat under the dry for 30 minutes because I do not want moldy hair. I'm taking the clips out and then I'm about to style it because when I tell y'all this style is going to eat down. It is the next day. This is how my hair is looking. do have 3 ideas in mind. So here are the 3 photos. I'm gonna combine something from each photo and make it into one. And I'm super excited. To start, I'm just sectioning my hair. I will be doing 2 2-strand twists at the back, and I'm gonna go ahead and secure both of those with rubber bands. I'm also gonna do 2 at each side of my head. I got these clamshells. I'm gonna put them on the ends of the twist. Shells in. They're so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do some barrel rolls at the back of my head. I'm gonna separate my hair in half at the front. I'm gonna go ahead and secure it with a hair tie. Then I'm gonna separate the back in 2, secure it with a hair tie, and then I'm gonna start barrel rolling up. To barrel roll, I'm gonna take 2 lock strand, 2-strand twist it down. Then I'm gonna flip it up, grab 1 lock strand from one side, from the opposite side, and twirl it around the 2-strand twist. And I'm gonna keep doing the same method all the way up. So just taking 1 lock from each stride and barrel rolling it up. Now, if I do have a strand in the middle, you can either take it around to whatever side, the opposite side, or sometimes I'll just keep it in the middle because I don't like when it's too tight. It gives me headache. And then you just secure it with a hair tie, and that is the finished look. And I'm going to do the same thing to the opposite side, barrel rolling it to the top. We combine these barrels and make one ponytail. So I am going to add some perm rocks to the front for a few hours. 2 more barrels. One right here. Right here. For these 2 barrels at each side, I maybe used only about like 5 to 6 hair because I still want my ponytail to look full. So I didn't use as much hair when I was barrel rolling it, but it is the same process at the side. All right, we are going to make a pineapple. This is how we're looking. She's cute. So I did add the perm rods off camera. If you need an in-depth on how to do perm rods, I do have a video. I'll link it up in the description. After a day of deciding what to do with my hair, I finally did something. So I ended up adding some flexi rods, just a few flexi rods to the top, so some of them can be curly. I literally just added them about 10 minutes ago. I'm hoping that they dry because I'm about to head out. I'm about to go outside. And if they're not dry, it is what it is. So let's start with these ones, the flexi rods. Let's see. Okay, it's doing something. It's a little curly. I just wanted a few of them to be curly. Nothing crazy. They definitely could have dried longer. But, as I said, I just wanted a little dimension in my hair. It didn't really make a difference, except for this side. It does look a little bit more fluffy, but it looks the same. I just like that it looks more fuller. Hey y'all, let's take out the front. This is why we're here. This is why we are here. Ooh. This is why we're here. So cute. So cute. Oh, that wasn't good. I hate these perm rocks so much because every time I keep popping, whatever. She's cute.
Oh yeah, that's cute. Cause some of them have like the little curls. Some of them, it's cute.
Cute. I'm gonna show y'all how it look in the sun. Look at it. I know it look cute. This was a combo of 3 different styles that I threw together because I genuinely did not know what I wanted to do. Ooh, I'm cute. She's cute. She's cute. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, especially if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.